Welcome to the MSRA Back to the 50s here at the Minnesota State Fairgrounds for our 40th annual car show with over 12,000 custom cars, 1964 and older. Enjoy the next video and I'd hope to see you here.
Welcome to US Classic Muscle Cars. Thanks for being here. Please enjoy the show.
Man, I love all these old cars.
So pretty, right?
I know.
Who has the nerve to park next to you? Anyone that you know?
Well, my cousin and I have been coming to this show since 2008 together.
Okay.
He comes from the north end, I come from the south end, and we meet in the middle.
There you go. Now, would that be him right here?
Yeah, this is Bill, my cousin Bill.
There you go. There you go. Why don't you hand the mic to Bill?
There you go.
Thanks, cuz.
Thank you.
There you go. And why don't you tell us about your car here? Your vehicle, your truck.
Well, this truck was won in 1959 on a dollar raffle ticket in Alexandria County Fair by my wife's grandfather, Hildur Fedge.
Neat.
And she can remember riding in this truck to the dairy with milk cans rattling around in the back. So it's...
You know, and that's a perfect sound, you know that? Isn't it that a perfect sound?
The town was a small farm town, and the truck spent its entire life up on that farm.
So you probably have some hay in the back in the bed?
I'm not sure what they had. I know they had milk cans. So when I got the truck, the headlights are glued in with roofing tar.
No, there's one by us.
There was no wood in the bed.
Wow.
There were holes in the floor of the cab. And we drove it from Evansville back to the Twin Cities. The wheels were weather checked. Had a little 6-cylinder motor at the time.
And what does it have now?
Now it's got a 350 with 2 4-barrel carburetors on it, which we put a bigger cam and lifter in it, so it gets about 5 miles to the gallon burning premium nowadays.
Right, yeah. And then and the paint with this metal flake, really nicely done.
Well, originally it was going to be red.
Okay.
So I built a little wood car and I painted it in 3 different shades of red. None of them were correct. So I finally seen a 1996 Chevrolet with this turquoise color on it.
Sure.
And decided that is what the color would be. When I went to the body shop to get painted, they called me and said, "Are you sure you want to paint this color?" And I said, "Absolutely." So when they painted it, they called me back and went, "Yes, that came out way better than we thought." So I wanted graphics put onto it to kind of highlight the body itself. So I seen this design in a magazine probably 40 years ago and adopted the colors to fit my color scheme. And they did a great job. And I get a lot of people that stop and want to know if it's decals or paint, and it's all paint. So
The person who did your bed, is it the same as your cousin?
no, this bed was bought in a kit, but I had to stain it, and then it's got 3 coats of marine varnish on it, and then assemble everything. But it's been on the road for 22 years now. The bed's starting to show a little wear, and sooner or later I'm gonna have to take it apart, sand it, and redo everything again. But the back, I got rid of the bumper, put in a roll pan, and then put the bow tie muffler tips to kind of help promote Chevrolet.
Right.
There's no power steering in the truck. It still has the straight axles, so you get a bump steer to it. So if you're going more than 65 miles down the road, you hit a bump, it kind of wanders a little bit. So would have been nice to put in a, front end clip, but I ran out of money. So you kind of take and pick your battles. The interior, I did put the Dakota Digital dash inside so that I get all of my oil, water, all of that into it. So
Did you ever get a chance to drive your cousins and vice versa?
I have never drove in his, but I've let him drive mine at least once. Only because he helped me put the newer radiator back into it, so.
Okay, thank you.
Now, point to your favorite. Point to your favorite. Oh man. There you go. There you go. Cool. Family Feud. Now I get it. There you go. Cool.
Man, I love all these old cars.
So pretty, right?
I know.